Today I'm going to demonstrate kneeling tricep push-ups. So this is an awesome way to hit the back of your arms in that tricep region, and also it actually incorporates a whole lot of your full body. So proper form is everything on this movement to make sure you're getting the most out of it. I want you to start in a kneeling plank. So I like to have my ankles crossed behind, but you're going to have a straight line from your shoulders down to your knees. Hand position is important here because we are trying to hit the triceps. So you want to create a triangle with your fingers. Then shoulders should be just right over top of your shoulders are right over top of your wrists, and your chest is coming down towards your hands and lifting back up. You want to make sure you're pushing so you can feel this in your triceps. Keep your elbows in. So your hand position's nice and close. And that is a kneeling tricep push-up.